Hello everyone! Let me be the first to introduce you to the new, exciting smartphone Cruz cases, constructed of materials that protect you from the microwave radiation directed to your head and body. Look at the radiation meter when held next to your mobile phone calling out to the cell towers. That's radiation going into your body. Oh my, not a good idea. See what happens when Cruz case technology is applied. The radiation levels are greatly diminished and without affecting the signal to the cell tower. Brilliant! And now is a stylish designer case. Your smartphone without Cruz cases, not a good idea. With a Cruz case, looks like a good idea. For more information, please visit cruzcases.com.